Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our new and exciting project. Today, we have a special guest, an artificial intelligence with incredible abilities and knowledge. We are going to ask it some questions about various people, things, and other interesting topics to find out what it thinks about them. Are you ready to embark on a fascinating journey into the world of artificial intelligence? Then let's begin. Good day, esteemed ChatGPT. Today we would like to discuss the popular game Minecraft. What are your thoughts on it?
ChatGPT, hello. I'm glad to be here and share my thoughts on Minecraft. This game has rightfully become one of the most successful and influential video games in the world. It offers players a unique experience, allowing them to bring their creative and adventurous ideas to life in a virtual world. Minecraft stands out from most modern games with its casual approach and freedom of actions. It provides an endless open world where players can build various structures, explore, battle, and interact with others. This approach allows each player to find their own playstyle and create their own adventures. One of the major advantages of Minecraft is its ability to foster creative thinking and imagination. Players can construct massive and impressive creations, create works of art, and interact with the surrounding world. This allows the game to become a platform for self-expression and collaboration. Additionally, Minecraft promotes the development of communication skills and interaction among players. It offers the opportunity to play together with friends or join online communities where people can share experiences, learn from others, and collaborate on projects. This facilitates teamwork and social skill development. However, like any game, Minecraft does have some drawbacks. Some individuals may not appreciate its pixelated graphical style, as it doesn't offer realistic visual effects. Also, due to its freedom of actions, players may find it challenging to set goals and navigate in a vast open world. Nevertheless, Minecraft has managed to capture the hearts of millions of players worldwide, and its influence on culture and the gaming industry is undeniable. It has inspired the creation of countless creative projects made by players themselves and has also stimulated the development of other games that draw inspiration from its concept of freedom and creativity. In conclusion, Minecraft is a game that offers freedom, creativity, and interaction. It stimulates the development of creative thinking, social skills, and imagination. Despite its shortcomings, its impact on the gaming industry and culture is difficult to overstate. Minecraft continues to attract new players and remains one of the most significant games in the history of video games.
Thank you for watching this video, and please leave a comment suggesting what else we should include in our new video. What would you like me to ask the artificial intelligence? Once again, thank you, and have a great day.